Well, darlings, this is my Airbnb for tonight. Check out the view. How amazing. How amazing is the sky? Check out this bed.
Hey guys, welcome to another video which I'm vegan and Frodo on the road. Here with me I have my amazing helmet and the little paddings from inside of it. I actually had to sew it last night. It's kind of starting to fall apart on me and I washed it and stuff like that. That is definitely important when you're traveling. I'm also very shiny because of sunscreen. Oh, I am in Norway. That is pretty cool, you guys. That is really cool. I stayed in Airbnb last night. In fact, I'm still here this morning, but I'm just kind of getting my stuff together and organizing everything. Good morning, sunshines, and welcome to another day on the road with Trail Vegan and Frodo. Sorry, I'm like a hamster. I have stuff in my mouth right now. I don't know why. I should have talked before I put stuff in my mouth. I have licorice. I'm feeling pretty good. I had a really good sleep in. I had a bit of a chill out this morning. We're about 100 k's out of Oslo. We're in Norway. Welcome to Norway. The weather is absolutely stunning. I'm absolutely loving these pine trees that are everywhere. There's cliffs. Everything is beautiful. It's heating up really nicely, actually, to be honest. But the sunlight stays up for many hours. So we are doing good. And we really do need to get going. Because it's later in the day, but that's all right. We're going to get to Oslo and maybe just chill out and check out Oslo tomorrow. And then we're going to be going for some hikes and be back on the road. So let's get this show on the road. Let's get this day started. Javi's behind me. Sunny's in my eyes. Amazing bike. Let's go.
Buckets of blueberries, 50 crones for the wine. Let's see what other food we can find. Raspberries, lime. Your vegan options, so got burgers, got nuggets, got all the sausage. Cool. And all the other obviously frozen fruit and stuff. Veg, for the veg. So I got myself some food. I got myself a salad. It weighs per kilogram, 120 kronas per kilogram. And I don't know how much do I have in here. I think it also adds the tax on top. This thing is 80. Oh, this is so expensive. Oh well. Oh well, it has all kinds of things in here. And I got myself a dip, like a salsa dip. I got myself a drink. And then in here, I have some corn for the salad actually. I have some beetroot. I've actually been craving gherkins, but yeah, I decided to go for beetroot. I got myself some bread, tomatoes, cucumber, and watermelon. Just gonna, obviously, like, I won't eat everything, but gonna have a pretty good solid lunch and keep on going.
Hope you're having a beautiful, wonderful day. I am reporting from a town called Moss in Norway. I am 65 k's out of Oslo. We'll be making into Oslo today. Even though it's pretty later in the afternoon and we started riding later today, the point is that the sunlight stays up for so long here that it's not even an issue. So I'm not actually like concerned at all. I am so full right now and so happy and carved up and satisfied. So I flew into Europe, as you know, in Budapest, and in Budapest I got a stamp in my passport. I'm flying on New Zealand passport, and when I got into Sweden, like no one did anything like in regards to like stamping or like checks. Like obviously like my bike and everything was checked through security, but I think it's because it's a European Union. Like you just don't need to worry about it. You know, if you're allowed in one border, it means you're probably going to be allowed in all of the different countries that are in the European Union. So there's no issues with that. And then I flew into Sweden, and I think I've told in the previous video that I built the bike right there and then at the airport. No worries. There was someone with the bike pump, so I could pump up my tires, and it was no dramas again, no issues. And that was like so lucky. That's to money wise. I've been just using ATMs, hey, like just going to a new country, getting some money out, and it's all good, no dramas. It's knowing how it's different currency in all these different countries. It'll be good when you get to mainland Europe, dealing with countries where just euros are, but it's all good. You find your ATM, you get some money out, like sufficient for however many days you'll be in that certain country, and then you use that. For phone services and internet, like obviously that has been incredibly helpful for me, whether it is to contact Warmshire hosts, whether it's to contact my friends and family back home, whether it is texting, phone calls, or via internet. Also, internet has been so important to me and vital to me, just because like it helps me with the maps and figuring out which roads I can take, which routes I can go through, and just all the different things, like learning the translation, figuring out the ingredients lists in all the food that I'm eating, just like everything. It's been so vital. So for me, it has been incredibly helpful to have internet. And what we have as an option in Australia is Vodafone, $5 a day. There's a list of countries, I think it's about like, I want to say 80 countries. There's quite a few countries on that list that you can just pay $5 a day for every single day you want to use your plan in another country, and then you have access to your data, to your phone calls, to your texts and all that kind of stuff from wherever you are in the world. And that has been incredibly helpful. Oh, it's so noisy all of a sudden. I know, with all the talk about amazing weather. It's pouring down. It's freaking pouring. It's a massive storm right now. And that's okay. The crazy thing is that it's warm, but the droplets are huge and like almost icy cold. It's insanity. Like, I'm gonna need a jacket. But I'm also going to wait just a little bit, and I think it's only like about an hour they will last for, but it's okay, we have time. We'll just chill out. I'm just at like this side of the road Shell petrol station. This is insanity. Look at it. So a little while ago I started noticing these signs. So you have a number and you have like a bicycle little sign thing, and now I'm seeing like loads more of these little things. By the way, it's like been raining on and off. Absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. And there's a little bike path there. So we, woohoo, on our way to Oslo, baby. Man, who knew, you guys? I was so completely absorbed into the rain, which I don't know if you can see on the camera. The lighting's a bit funny and I can't even like refocus because the screen is so wet. Like, and it has a case on right now. And yeah, and I was so absorbed in my audiobook as well that like, we're here. I'm actually like 500 meters away from my host for tonight. It's just like crazy. I like literally almost missed it. We are like 14 k's out of center of Oslo, but I think it's absolutely fine. I'm just gonna like chill here for a bit. It flies around me. I got stung by a bee today. I don't know why, but bees are super duper obsessed with my bright yellow high-vis backpack cover. So I'm in Kolbotn, which is like a suburb on the outskirts of Oslo, and there's like some little fountain here. I'm just like in the little mall area here, and I'm just gonna chill here. I'm gonna eat my watermelon. I don't know, you know what I'd love? I would love like a falafel kebab, but I don't know. I don't know. I think there should be some in the mall behind me, but that's right. I think I should eat my watermelon first. After all, it's a kilo and a half that I've been dragging here for the past 60 k's with some lulls because I was too full. And I was really hungry when I bought it, but I bought so much food that I was not hungry enough to eat it. Oh, there's some sort of restaurant here. Cute. Anyway, we're feeling pretty good. We're feeling pretty happy. I'm like, I really didn't expect that I'd be here by now, but I am, and it's really nice. And it's not so rainy anymore, but I'm completely soaked and my shoes are filled with water. But what else? What else are you gonna do anyway? It's all good.